In this video, I'm going to show you step by step what you have to do to solve the problem that Snapchat is constantly crashing on your phone. So what you want to do first, you want to go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. Chances are high that you can't use Snapchat, that there is a bug because you haven't updated it. So what you want to do first, go ahead and update Snapchat. As you can see, for me it says open. I've already updated it. And then if you try it again, it should work. However, there are two other ways that can also solve this problem. So if this didn't work, if you have updated it and it's still crashing, what you want to do, you want to go to your home screen, hold Snapchat, go to the eye, and then go to app permissions right here. So here you can see the permissions. So what's allowed: camera, location, microphone, storage, but denied call logs, contacts, and phone. So what you want to do always, if something is happening with Snapchat that's not good, you want to allow everything. So make sure to allow everything, restart your phone and try it again. For some of my friends, that helped. If it still didn't work and you're still crashing, there's only one way left, and that's completely uninstalling Snapchat from your phone. And then you can just download it again, and you can also restart your phone again to completely refresh it, and then it should work if you try to log in again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.